Problem number 6 to 10. Percentage of people in a city working in night shifts from various industries. Okay, and one more table they have given, percentage of female from various industries working in night shifts. See here, total number of people is 40,250. Among that, 12% belongs to IT, 18% belongs to gaming, 32% belongs to call center, 8% belongs to sales, 14% belongs to banking, 16% belongs to chemical industry. 16% belongs to chemical industry. Now, percentage of female from various industries working in night shifts. IT, actually speaking, 12% are the people. Among those 12%, 20% belongs to IT. Next, gaming, 18% are the total number of people. Among those 18%, 20% belongs to gaming. Call center, 45% female, sales 60% females, banking 40% and chemical industry 15%. See, when they are going to give you these type of tables and charts, one thing you have to identify first before solving the problems. Okay, here from 6 to 10. Okay, first you have to check whether in any one of the question they have asked us to calculate the total number of men or the total number of women, the ratio between the total number of men and total number of women, what is the difference between the total number of men and total number of women. If they have asked these type of questions, then you have to go with a different strategy. Otherwise, the normal strategy you can follow. See here, problem number 6. Ratio of the men to the women working in the night shifts from the call center. See, they have asked us only to calculate the call center. Okay, so let us check whether in the next problem they have given or not. Let's go to the next problem, problem number 7. Problem number 7. What is the approximate average number of females working in night shifts from all the industries together? See here, approximate average number of people we have to identify. Average number of females means total number of females. If we want to calculate the total number of females means automatically we are going to get the total number of males. Okay, so we have to calculate the total number of female, means we have to go with a different strategy. For the first problem itself, from the first problem itself, you start to do the problems with that strategy. Okay, go to the problem number 6. Go back to 6th problem. What is the ratio of the men to the women working in night shifts from the call center industry? See here, before attending this problem, okay, let me tell you some of the concepts. Okay, how to solve. See here, consider IT industry. Consider IT industry. IT industry forms 12% on 40 to 50. 12% on 40 to 50. So 12% means how much? How to calculate 12%? So 12% can be calculated like this: 10% plus 2%. So 10% means 4025. How to calculate 10%? Already you people know, go to the topic percentages and again you learn if you have not learned. Okay, so 12%, 10% plus 2%, 10% means 4025 plus, you have to calculate 2%. 2% means 1% plus 1%, that is 402.5 plus 402.5. So altogether how much you are going to get? 0.5 plus 0.5, that is 0, 1 carry over. See now, come to the unit digit. 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. Okay, again 1 carry over. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 0 3, you got 3. Next 0, 0 plus 4 4 plus 4 8, you got 8. Next you got 4. So you got 4830. You got 4830. And next what they are telling, among this 4830, 20% are female. 20% of 4830 are female. 20% of 4830 are female. So 20% of 4830 means how much? 20% is equal to 10% plus 10% or 10% into 2. So 483 plus 483. So altogether how much you are going to get? Altogether how much you are going to get? You are going to get 966. See, this is the actual procedure. Okay, you got 966. You have one more methodology. See here, IT forms 12%. Next, female forms 20%. So what is 20% of 12% or 12% of 20, that is 2.4. So 2.4% you can directly calculate on 4240250. You can directly calculate on 40250, you are going to get 966. See how to calculate 2%. So 2% can be calculated like 1% into 2. So 1% means 402.5 into 2. So how much you are going to get? 10,508. So how much you got? 2 5s are 805 you got, 805 you got. Next again you have to add 0.4%. So 0.4% how you calculate? 0.1% into 4. So how much 0.1%? That is 40.25 into 4. If you do, then how much you are going to get? See here, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry over, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 2 carry over, 4 4s are 16, 162 you got. 40.25 into 4, so 4 5s are 20, 2 carry over, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, and here you are going to get 161. So you got 161. So 161 means how much you are going to get? 966. See, both the values are same. So instead of calculating twice the percentages, you can do like this: IT 12%, female 20%. So 20% of 12 is 2.4. 20% of 12 is 2.4. If you convert like this, then it will be very easy for us to do the further calculation. So for every value we have to convert. See here, I have already converted and I have already made a table. See, IT 12% and among 12, 20% is the female. So 20% of 12, 10% is 1.2, 20% is 2.4. So among 12%, 2.4 belongs to female, 12 minus 2.4, 9.6, that belongs to male. Like that for gaming, 20% of 18, that is 3.6. So this is 3.6, then automatically it will be 14.4. Like that for every industries I have converted. So total female what I got is 32.8%. 32.8%. Now you have to calculate the ratio of men to the women working in the night shifts of the call center. Call center men 17.6, call center women 14.4. So what is the ratio? 17.6 by 14.4. See, 17.6 has to be calculated on 4250. 14.4 has to be calculated on 4250. So you neglect 4250 and directly you take the ratio. See here. So 176 by 144. So 12 ones are 12. So 176 is not divisible by 12. Take 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Next 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24, 4 6s are 24. Okay, next 2 22s are 44, 2 18s are 36, next 2 11s are 2 9s are. So you got 11:9. You got 11:9 as ratio, but 11:9, do you have any option? You have 9:11, but you should get 11:9. Therefore, none of these is the right answer. Okay, therefore none of these is the right answer. If you convert these things to the proper table, then it will be very easy for you people to solve. See, actually the ratio calculation is very simple now, because already you have converted and you have converted to 4250. Whatever the percentage you have to calculate on 4250. That will be the common number. So you can neglect the common number and you can easily solve. Okay, so the answer is none of these. Let's go to the next problem, problem number 7. What is the approximate average number of females working in night shifts from all the industry together? So from all the industries you have to take, that is total number of female. So total number of female are how much? Total number of female is 33.2. So how many industries you have? 6 industries you have. So what is the average? Average is equal to sum by n. That is, sum means what is the total percentage? 33.2. So 33.2 divided by n. N means 6. You have IT 1, gaming 2, call center 3, sales 4, banking 5, chemical industry 6. So you have 6 industries. So average is how much? 6 5s are 30. 3 carry over, 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18. 5.53% on 40 to 50. 40 to 50. Now, how to calculate 5.53 percentage? See here, 5.53 percentage on 40 to 50 you have to calculate. So, 5% means half of 10%, 5% means half of 10%. So, that is 4025, half of 4025, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4.5. So, 2012.5 you got. Next, what you have to calculate? You have to calculate 0.5%. So, 0.5% means 5% by 10, 5% by 10. So, 5% is 2012.5. So, divided by 10, how much you are going to get? 201.25, 201.25. Next, you have to calculate how much? 0.03 percentage, 0.03 percentage you have to calculate. So, 0.03 means 0.01 into 3. So, 10% 4025, 1% 402.5, 0.1% 40.25, but 0.01% 4.025 into 3. So, 25 3s are 75, 0 4 3s are 12. So, 12.075. So, altogether how much you are going to get? 2012.5, 201.25, next 12.075, 12.075. So, altogether how much you got? 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry over 8, 2 2s are 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 1, 2, 2. So, 2215 you got, 2215 you got, but they are asking us to calculate the approximate. Here the approximate is 3227. So, option A is the right answer. See, this is the actual method. So, if you go with this method, you can save a lot of time. See, only 1 percentage you are calculating, that is 5.53 percentage. If you are not going to make this table means, then definitely it takes a lot of time for you people to solve this problem. So many people, what they do? They are going to skip. Okay, instead of skipping, you can go with this methodology. So 5% very easy. 0.5% means 5 by 10, that is also very easy. 0.03, 0.01 into 3, that is also very easy. So if you are bit fast in multiplication means, then it is very easy for you people to solve and to get the right answer. So the right answer approximate is 2227. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 8. What is the total number of men working in night shifts from all the industries together? From all the industries together, what is the total number of men working in night shifts? See here, the total number of men is 66.8. So you have to consider 66.8 percentage. So 66.8 percentage on 40 to 50. So how to calculate 66.8? 60 percentage plus 6 percentage plus 0.8 percentage. So 60 percentage means 10% into 6. 60% means 10% into 6 you can do. So that is 4025 into 6. So that is 6 5s are 30, 3 carry over, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 6 4s are 24. So 24,150. Next, you have to calculate 6%. So how to calculate 6%? See here, 6% calculated can be calculated in this manner, that is 60 by 10, that is 6%. So 60% already we know, that is 24150 divided by 10, we are going to get 2415. We are going to get 2415. So now what we have to do? We have to calculate 0.8%. So 0.8% means 0.1% into 8. So 0.1% means how much you are going to get? 40.25. See, 10% 4025, 1% 402.5, then 0.1% 40.25 into 8. So which is equal to 8 5s are 40, 4 carry over 8 is a 16 plus 4 20, 2 carry over 8 4s are 32. So you got 322. Let me repeat, 8 5s are 40, 4 carry over, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20, 2 carry over, next 8 4s are 32. So altogether how much you are going to get? See here, 24150, next 2415, next 322. So you are going to get 527, next 527 plus 1 8, next 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 2 6 2. So 26,887. You are going to get 26,887. Option D is the right answer. See, if you are able to convert and if you are going to form the table, then it will be very easy for you to calculate. So 66.8%, that is 26,887. So very easy to calculate. Option D is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 9. The number of women from the gaming industry is what percent of the total number of people working in the night shifts from all the industries together. So gaming industry you have to calculate. Gaming industry forms 3.6 with respect to total number of people. So 3.6 percentage. Option B is the right answer. See how much time you want? Max to max 5 seconds, not more than that. Only thing is you have to observe the table and you have to mark. Actually speaking, 2 seconds is more than enough. Okay, so 3.6 percentage. Option B is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 10. What is the difference between the total number of men and the total number of women in night shifts from all the industries together? So all the industries together you have to take and you have to calculate the difference. So the difference is 66.8 minus 33.2. So 66.8 minus 33.2. So you are going to get 6 minus 3, 33.6. So you have to calculate 33.6 percentage. Okay, 33.6 percentage you have to calculate. So how to calculate 33.6 percentage? Again, 30% plus 3% plus 0.6 percentage. So 30% means 10% into 3. See here, 30% means 10% into 3. So 10% 4025, 4250, 4025 into 3. So which is equal to 25 3s are 75. Okay, 0, 4 3s are 12. So you got 12,075. Next you have to calculate 3%. So 3% means 30% by 10, 30% by 10. So that is 12,075 by 10. So which is equal to 1207.5, which is equal to 1207.5. Next you have to calculate 0.6%. 0.6% means 0.1% into 6. So 0.1% means how much you are going to get? 40.25 into 6. So 6 5s are 30, 3 carry over, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 1 carry over, 6 4s are 24. So 241.50, 241.50. So altogether how much you are going to get? 12,075. Next 1207, 1207.5. Next 241.5. Next 241.5. So altogether how much you are going to get? 0.5, 0.5, 10, 1 carry over, next 6 plus 6, sorry 6 plus 7 13 plus 1 14, again 1 carry over, 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry over, 5 1 3. So 13,524 you got, 13,524. Option C is the right answer. So very simple thing, 33.6% you got. If you calculate, you are going to get 13,524. So option C is the right answer for the problem number 10. Okay.